Hi guys, remember me is Kiki and today I'm gonna make some slime. Let's talk about it. First, you can use white glue or clear glue, but today I'm using clear glue, saline, which is contact solution, and then you need a food color. You can use whatever color you want, but today I'm using green. And then of course, you need baking soda. Let's make some slime. Now let's put the next ingredient, that's food coloring. Start with that first, and we're gonna mix it together. Let's add in some contact solution. Baking soda. Have that much first. Making a fitness. Keep on pouring some more baking soda and keep on stirring until it all comes together. If the slime is too watery, pour out the water excess. And then now, time to knead it with your hands. This is what I call slime. Make sure you subscribe to my video and give me a big thumbs up.